Hi and welcome back. So in the part before we started creating the sword. We already did a few details like this on the back part and the handle, and now we are going to focus more on the details, and I would like to finish the back part in this part and also the handle and probably start the sword. And I think in the next part we'll finish the modeling and also do some Photoshop work for the nice bump maps which we need for the elvish text and other details. So let's go to front view again, zoom on the sword. We can delete the turbo smooth here, and we will detach again a part of the sword. And now why I'm doing this is because if I'm detaching this part on which I would like to make the changes, it's much easier to do it like with this small part than with the whole part, because I will not select anything from this part and accidentally chamfer something or move some word. So it's much easier here right now to work just with this small part. Okay, so what I want to do here is this detail here, something similar which we have here, and also this hard edge which is going all around the sword. So for this I will again delete a part of the sword, exactly the half. We'll zoom here a bit, press delete. Now we go to the top view, delete this part, and I will work just with this one. So firstly, for this detail, we'll move a bit these words here. So we will do a slight reposition of that. This one somewhere here. And now this one will move somewhere here. And also this one. Okay, so very easy, just by moving this word. And you can also move a little bit this one. And now this hard edge is going along this one here. And I noticed this one, which is here, is going a little bit from the line for the polyflow which we have there. So I will go to the perspective view, zoom on that word, and reposition that a bit. So a little bit go inside, a little bit down. Just a little bit, not much. Just a bit. Okay, I think that's enough. So now we can again merge the second half of this. Just click the mirror operator here and copy an epsilon axis. Press OK. Attach the other half here. Ctrl A on all vertex here. Weld the smallest value which we can. Press OK. We can apply here this modifier, turbo smooth, to is a line, just to see if everything is fine. How it looks. So now you can go to this edge, click on them, loop it. Now it's going all around the shape, which we don't want, because if we will chamfer also this one here, it will make the hard effect or hard edge everywhere. So we'll just deselect it like this. We'll apply a chamfer, not such a big one. Probably like this should be enough. Press OK. Apply turbo smooth to see detail is there. Go to perspective to see it a little bit better. And yeah, it's there. It's a slightly detailed, as you can see how the light is changing. It's appearing and disappearing. So like it's like this, it's absolutely fine. Okay, you can delete again this one. Now we need to copy again this shape. So again, the same settings. Press OK. Attach. Second model, Ctrl A. Weld. Again, the same value, the smallest one. Press OK. We can also cap this thing here. And now we'll simply attach the model back. And again, we'll apply a weld also here. Now I want to chamfer this edge and this edge from both sides. So I will select it like this, loop it, select the other edges which are in the line, and yeah, I'm selecting the right one, just checking also this one. Now I don't want to chamfer this, so I will deselect them by holding Alt, but I think this shortcut you know, and also I will deselect it here, and I will hide the chamfer inside this shape. Now like this, the chamfer will be everywhere along this, but it will be hidden. So it's something which I want. Now we can rotate a look if everything is selected. Now here it's not deselected, so we'll deselect also this. And I think here it's a bit more than I wanted actually, if I'm looking right. So I will rotate it like this, deselect few of them. Okay, for sure, I don't need to have selected these ones here. So I hope I'm not deselecting anything from the other side. And it's fine to check sometimes if you selected the right side, the right edges and everything. So I think now it was a good idea to check. Okay, now I think I have everything. We can move this. We really have the same. So from that side it looks fine. From this side too, so we'll go back. Once more I will check this here. And it's fine. Okay, so now the chamfer. I think I will use this value which I have here, probably a little bit more like this, and I will use 2. I'll press OK. I'll go to the front view because I already noticed there are some strange things, and I will fix this first before I apply the Turbos modifier. It should be quick, but we need to do this on the both sides. So I'll delete few words, and using touched weld, I will just weld them together to delete these angles. It's not really even a triangle, it was something really bigger, and this should be just few minutes or just few moments to fix all the stuff which shouldn't be there. And at the end I hope we will have a nice hard edge there, and we can move on some other detail on the sword. Okay, now perspective, we'll go to the back part. I think can hit Alt X on the plane just to see the back and zoom on that. Z to zoom, maybe zoom a little bit out, and again touch weld. Now I used the 2 edges in the chamfer to make the edge a bit harder than it would be just by a simple chamfer. So it should be looking really nicely. But we will see at the end how the sword will be. I hope it will be very similar to the Anduril sword, but it's something like, I don't know, not such important for me. Like the sword will be clean and nice. Okay, turbo smooth on this is aligned to, and yes, the hard edge is here. Just here's Oh, some crack. Okay. Okay, I see. So I forgot here something. Is this possible? I will hide this for a second. And let's look if we have the same from both sides. No, we don't. Whew. So actually it's fine, because I will just from the front view, I will quickly detach this to an object again. I will go to the top view. I will delete this bottom part. No, actually I have no idea how I could do that. I will do again a copy, attach, Control A, weld the smallest value. Or we don't have even to do that, we can just select everything here, press OK. We'll attach this one back, and again we'll use the smallest value for the chamfer. Now unhide all. Front view, probably perspective will be better to see. Tribus mode is line bigger 4. So yes, now it's fine. Okay, so sorry for that. Well, it was a quick fix, so nothing like bad. But anyway, I should give more attention to that. But anyway, it's fine. So happy for that. So I think for the back it's done. I don't know. Maybe a little bit later we'll do a bunch of more things. And now I will go here. Select this edge, because here should be also some space. Loop that edge, extrude it. We can, I think I will use this value which I have here. Apply, select these other edges, loop them, chamfer just once. A lot smaller chamfer, we can zoom on that. Like this. And this should be fine too. Okay, sorry. Let's go here. Now let's go to the left view, and I think I will do this a bit smaller. So we'll select the words here, and I will scale them a bit more, because I think it was too thick before. And I will also chamfer this main shape. Now, if I look on that, the shape is around here. Now, I don't think, actually now, when I'm looking back on that, it's a good idea. Because I'm looking on the reference picture, it should be the detail again, something similar which we have here, or which we had here. So if I move this up, the detail should go somewhere here. Probably a little bit more deep, like here. But the shape there is like in an angle. So the shape will be like this. So I don't like that, to be honest. So now I have two possibilities. I will keep that and it will be an angle, or I will just make it flat. Probably I will choose the second option here. So I will select all of these polys and make it probably almost flat, and move that a bit down. To make something like this. This should be flat enough for the shape. Maybe a bit more. Or maybe not. No, this should be fine. Now I will detach this, an object again, because I'm lazy to do the same on both sides. I would delete this, make a mirror of that, different axes like I was doing before, attach the back. Probably I can attach also this already to this one, select this vertex weld with the smallest value, and we have the same on both sides. So from this view everything looks fine, but from the other view it's a bit different than it was before. Now this is a lot, it's absolutely edgy. It's like this is flat or straight. So I'll make a small angle here. For that I will select this police and scale them. Probably like this. This should be pretty enough. Yeah, it's fine. Just to make a shape, a round shape. Probably actually this is too much. We'll scale it back a bit. Okay, let's look now. Yeah, I think now it's better. Okay, we can anyway apply refinement again to that. Oops. To see. Yeah, now it's better. I like it more. Okay, I will delete that. Now let's go here. Now we'll focus now on the detail. Oops. Now I think the detail should go probably from here, like this. So for that I will scale or inset this one side. Let's go to the inset tool and I will make it like this. And now, oops, what's the back? And I will change that. Probably I will try to match the reference. I'm sure I will not absolutely, because I can see that. So I think we'll hide this for a second. Okay. Can check also the bottom. Okay. And hide. And I think I did it too much. So I'll go a few steps back, and I think I will leave it like this. Maybe. I don't know. Now I'll use my cut tool and make this. Now, a very important part will be to check if it's in one line. It is, so great. Okay, so this is the something like the body for the detail, which I will inset once more a bit. Now, I don't know if to go to inside or outside. Probably I will do the same like on the back, so I will go a bit outside with the shape. Now I will inset that again. Well, yeah, I can check the back. I was doing the back. Yeah, for sure I will see insetting that. Yeah, sure. A bit. Now here is the small part which we can do from this big part. So I will apply an inset and I will make it smaller using the scale tool. Now it looks like it's not in the middle but a little bit like more higher, somewhere here. Here I can move few of the words, change the position of them and just shape them a bit. So I think I will select this one, move it a bit down, a little bit more here, this I will move a bit, and I think like this it should be fine. But it's your taste, your model, so do how you want or how you wish. I will set this a bit more. Now again, we can go up with that shape or not. I don't know right now, so I will insert it once more. Like this. Now I will insert it more and more. It's already crossing, so I will insert it a bit and scale that a little bit more. Move it a bit up. And with this shape, I will go inside. I don't know, probably like this. Oh, multi-4 perspective. Z to zoom. We can turn off all the X. And this should be enough. Maybe a bit more. And I think now I will go with the shape a little bit up. Just a bit. Shrink that and a little bit more. Okay. Now let's do a few chamfers here. So firstly this one on the top. I think before we're applying this value, we can do again a double chamfer also here. Can do a small chamfer here inside. This one should be enough. 0.4. We can. And this I will leave for a while. So now we can check Turbo Smooth again. There's everything not online, but okay. And yeah, it's looking great, I think. This bottom part we'll fix a little bit later, but this, it was all about this, which is inside, and I like it a lot. But again, it's about your taste. If you want to make it different, just do. As you can see, there's nothing hard, just few words, moving of them, and that's all. Now let's go to the left view. Probably all the X. No, we have. So this one, F4, my bad. So here on the part is the details, are the details. So I will again detach this to an object. Now I will delete this half. I will make a mirror of this, copy, attach this back, can select just these words in this line, weld them, this, select all these, weld. Let's go to perspective to see, yeah, it's there. So it's cool. Now I would like to copy this one here. The shape here changed a bit because the scaling and so I don't think I can just easily copy it there. So again I need to delete a few things and probably the half of the model to be able to do that. Now for this I will delete this part of the sword. I will select, let's say, this police here, again detach. But if on the front view, just to be sure, I will select this half, make a mirror of this axis, attach this back, selecting these first, welding them, okay, attaching the shape back together. I think here, yeah, is the point. Okay, let's go to perspective to attach the sword back, or to create the sword. So again, I will select one of these edges here and here, bridge them. I'll select the border, deselect these ones. Okay, again, Control Edge, deselect these ones, bridge the rest. Okay. Now will be the fun part. I'm just looking here. Okay. I need to select this edge, loop it, but not absolutely through the whole shape, and make a chamfer here. Okay. I'm telling that this will be the fun part because it will be. The fun part will be that I need to deselect part of the shape and not distort or destroy the shape. So I will try to keep it like here, just to try. And about this I was talking. But I think this we can fix very quickly. So it should be fine. Now, but we'll see. I'm not sure about this. So I'm going very slowly here, trying to not destroy the model. I don't know if the shape should continue also here. Okay, I will not do it, that it's there. That's it. Okay, just the last check also here. And okay, chamfer should be much wider. Too much. Like this. And I will just check, looking here. Okay, I don't see there anything like it destroyed something, which is fine. It's a good sign for my shape. But probably I will do it right now. I will select again the middle part. Okay, again, it's too much. And it's from the both sides, so I will again deselect these, deselect this. From the top part I will deselect this, so I should have just this here, and I will a bit pull this away. Okay, not looking so bad. I just need to. No, it's just a slightly detail, as you can see, but it should be there. Just look here. Of course, this is bad. And I will try to weld this. Yeah, cool. Better. Okay, great. Nah, I wasn't counting that it would be so easy. You can pull it more, you can pull it less. You don't have to do this. Actually, everything is up to you. Again, I'm not forcing anyone to do exactly what I'm doing. Actually, I don't think even you should do absolutely the same like I do. I think you can put there a bit of your soul and your knowledge to make the model a bit more personally for you. Okay, again, we will loop this. Now we will go to the back part. Again, we'll deselect part of the model. We'll do the same like on the other side, but I think this will be probably quicker than copying the shape, then deleting the half of that. Okay, again, I will try to pull it out with the same value. And I think I deselected that. Yeah, sure. Okay, once more. So just a bit. We can check it from the other side a bit more. Yeah, it should be something like this. And staying in the back part, we'll also fix the words when we are here already. Okay, where we are, touch weld. So we'll fix also this and this on the other part. Because there are different heights of that. It's making this darker spots, but I don't give much attention to that. So you should want to. Okay, unhide all. Can put this back and great. So again, we did more and more details to that, and we'll continue with the front part and with the blade part. I think we are doing well, quite fast, I guess. And I will save a few things also to the next part, not to do everything here. Okay, I thought I will remodel this. Sorry. And I decided to pull it out from this shape. So I'll just select this one and pull it away. I'll pull it these sides like this. We'll check that a bit here. And I think we'll continue to work just with one side. So with one half of that. So I think we can scale this bit down. And also to make this a bit different. We'll pull this down. By the way, that value should be enough for that. I'll check it just for sure with 3DsMax on. Because this handle here, and I think we can keep the 3DsMax for a while. Oops. Okay, I think it's fine. Now we will need to connect. I think I will connect it like this. Just will make a connection. I will pull a bit down this to make the polyflow a little bit better. We'll drop this one back. Oh, this was too much, I think. A little bit up. Now I will connect the shape also here. You can go to the front view, Autodesk, and I think we can pull this a bit down and a little bit like this. Front view, select our words, oops, not U, Z to zoom, perspective, Alt-X. Horrible. Sorry for the coughing, really. I don't know what's wrong with me again. And okay, this looks much better than the shape before. We can do one more change. I think here I will pull this. It's just too much. Like this to the back. Now, let's see. We need here a chamfer. We need a chamfer to the end of the shape. I make a loop here. It's going to the end of the shape. Of course, we don't want to go absolutely to the end. We'll stop probably somewhere here. I don't know exactly where. So I will keep it like this. And I will do the chamfer right here. I will do again just one chamfer. And like this. Like this or bigger? Oh, I don't know. Oops. Okay, I will do it a bit bigger. Not so much. Maybe 1.5. We'll see. We need to do a detail on the sword together with this. Yeah, this one. Exactly this one. Which is here. Cool. Now, this will change a bit later. So I will not focus on that. But I will do a connection here. I'll move the connection here down. You can make it straight if you want. I will keep it in this shape. Hit Alt X from the front view. Move it somewhere here. Yes, to make something like this, firstly, now I will do a second connection. Select these and these. And make something like this. Probably I can make one more and make the shape a bit more here. And I would like to focus on this line everywhere. No, almost everywhere, of course. Select again these ones. Not exactly. Oh, this one and this one. And I will make it almost straight with the line. Probably here. Straight. Oh, I don't know. We'll see. Of course. This is not the end of the shape. I really hope I will not remodel this in the next part. So we can focus on one of that. I think we can on the top part of the detail which is here. And here we will again change that. So probably we'll simply move this a bit here. I will scale this just a bit. I'll make again a connection. Now the connection I will try to move here. And exactly make something like this. So firstly I will scale that to match the shape of the sword. Now I will select the inside parts. Okay. Great. Now we'll select all these inside my grid shape which I created. Go to perspective, Alt X, Z to zoom, probably not, and I will use a bevel on that. So let's go inside and a bit inside one more time. I hardly see anything, but I think, yeah, it should be fine. Oh, 4. 4, and I already see that it's looking cool. This is the something like the move between detail and the detail, the shape, something like that. So I think it's great. Can just make some adjustments here. Set to zoom on that. Probably we can pull this, not everything, just this one in the middle, a bit down. And we'll see what else we'll do here. I'm not sure. Now, but probably we'll do some stuff for sure. Can fix this detail here, which we made. Can go here to the top. Look here if everything is fine there. Can go to the front view and select this one and this one and make them like this. Also we can make something like this, probably better. Okay, now we can go here to the top and finish the tip. Now, how to finish the tip? Can do one more bevel on this, but as you can see we can't. So we'll do just a bevel, doesn't matter. We'll collapse everything. Go to the front view, try to zoom on that, and I will make it a little bit more out. Connect this, reshape a bit. And I will hope nobody will notice that. So, I think great so far. Progress is fine, I like that. Now, before, of course, I will end this part, which I will probably in 10 minutes I will do, maybe earlier. I will make the shape again the same from both sides, because from the other side it's like not the same. For this, again, I will detach. So I think I will select this here, unzoom, select this one here. I will again destroy the tip. Never mind. Detach that. Oops. Select our model. Let's go to one of the views. Now we need to know which is the right one. So I will guess it's not this one. Yeah, I was right. And we'll delete this part. We'll make a mirror of that. You can go again to this view. Yeah. Attach the other half and select all words in the middle. Weld again with the smallest value. You can go to the front part, front view, attach back the model. Selecting all these, we'll weld them back. And the tip is there, which is strange. And the sword is shorter, which is also strange because I thought I did it. Yeah, I moved again something. And again, and I think I moved a bit more than I wanted. Or I don't know. Okay, I don't know what I did with the reference picture. But for sure it's shorter, you can see. How is this possible? Okay, I will not investigate what I did. For sure I did something really, really wrong. So from this part it's already shorter. Never mind. Probably I just moved that in 1 or 2 axes. Or made it bigger with scale. Or make this smaller with scale. I don't know. I'm just a little bit curious what I did. Okay, this is a bit better. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, we will not need the reference anymore. Okay, I will go a few steps back because no, I have no idea. So I will go back. Oh, where I ended. Anyway, we will not use the reference picture anymore. Not much, anyway. Just go here to the tip. Because I think, I'm sure that I was scaling here a bit bad. Not in all axes, so try to fix that. So I'll scale this a bit more. And the same I will do here. You can check the weld. No, nothing to weld. So everything should be fine. Okay. So loop also this. Not to make leave it so flat how we have it. Okay. Now I'm already crossed here. I think I didn't notice that before. So I will recreate the tip once more. I don't know what I did. Or how it's possible that this happened to me all the time. But I think I need to look a bit better on that, on everything. Just no, the rest is fine. I don't know what I did again here at the front. So yeah, I know, of course. Okay, the mystery is solved. It was my bad. So I will extrude this. I will not use bevel. Extrude it like this. go to perspective and zoom on that. And now I will bevel that. Bevel. Chamfer. Man. Scale, of course. Zoom on that once more, just to check if it's in one line. And it looks so it should be also okay. Probably a bit more. Now we'll extrude it once more, probably not so much. Like this, and again. Scale that down. Oh, this is fine. Extrude it once more. Now here I will collapse everything together. I'll move it probably a bit back. Connect this one here and scale a bit away from the shape. Okay, now it should be fine. And probably everything. Okay, I have no idea what is with the reference picture. What happened with the reference picture? If you know, please let me know. So we have a few more minutes before I would like to end this part, and I think I will do here also one more chamfer, and it will be around the blade. And I think the rest of the shape will finish in the next part, again together. Some of the not futures but maps, bump maps, which I want to do in Photoshop. Of course, for that I firstly need to find some better reference pictures and so on. But I'm sure I will find something on the net. The mighty Google is always for me here. So now, if to just chamfer or not, we can actually try. I will apply here a small chamfer, because I don't know if I want to go to extrude here or not. We'll apply turbo smooth on this. I think just a chamfer is fine. Yeah, it is. For sure. Okay, let's go to the front view. And I will manipulate a bit this one here. I hope I will not destroy anything. So just move that a bit. And I think I will play with that a bit more in the next part. Okay, so I will stop here. Yeah, and like this. Like that, all the details which should be there are there. Maybe here is something which we can fix right now, or I will forget on that. Zoom on here, F4, and I will do a small connection next here. I will extrude it, scale, check if it's scaled, all axis. I'm not sure, so I will rescale a few things here which I don't like. But from top view, yeah, from the top view, great. A bit more. And maybe this one a bit. and this one a bit more. No, I don't know. I think this is fine, probably not. We can change that later, of course. But it should help a bit for this detail here. And it is. Okay, so a lot of details on the sword, as you can see, but I think we are going very well, doing very well. I think we'll finish it in the next part. So I hope you like so far. As you can see, it's really not so hard to do. I don't know if it's absolutely a replica of the sword. Maybe this should be a bit bigger. I don't know. I just thought it's too big. Maybe no, maybe yes. We can change few stuff, and in the next part we'll look on more of the details there. Fix something, maybe added more details which we'll saw there, and finish the modeling part for sure, and go then to the Photoshop part and probably do the maps also already in that part. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked so far. I hope you learned something. As you can see, it's just the technique which I trying to use. I even don't doubt it's the best one, but it's like a trick. Yeah, it's working here. Probably it will work everywhere. So again, I hope you like, and I will see you in the next part. So far, bye bye.